I also just want to give a quick tour of how to use Zoom. So notice that this next week I canceled my office hours because I'm going to be meeting with you guys individually. So my next virtual office hours will be on October 1st. So what you would do is between 9 and 10, click on this link, okay? And it'll post this which says open Zoom meetings, and you click yes, open Zoom meetings, okay? So then what it'll do is it'll connect you automatically, and here you can see my lovely face, hello. And you're going to say join with computer audio. Now, when you connect to this, you can see my face. Make sure that the mute button is not pushed. If it looks like this, then I won't be able to hear you, okay? So make sure you unmute yourself. And then if I want to stop video, I will only see your name here, so I won't see anything else. So if you want me to see your face, you can click on stop video and make sure it looks like that, okay? And that's what it should look like. Now, if you want to share your screen with me, say you want to show me a part of your paper, let's say you started rewriting it and you have a Word document. You can click share, and then I will actually be able to see your screen. So if you want to share, for example, you could share this PowerPoint, and then you can actually see that this will show up in the Zoom meeting so that I can see it. Okay, and then all you have to do is click stop share, and then I won't see it anymore, I'll just see your face. Now, in the future, I will probably hold what are called online lectures. So if you want to record for any reason, let's say you want to record a meeting, if you really want to keep it for later, if you want to remember what I tell you, you can click this record button down here and it will record everything. Now, one more thing that you will need is this chat button over here. So on the bottom, if you click chat, you can now type messages to people, okay? And then people can respond, especially if there's more than one person in the room. Then you can all chat here if you have a question. If, for example, I'm giving an online lecture and you want to ask me a question, you can type the question into the chat. Okay? So this is what I would do if you want to use Zoom. And I highly recommend it. We're going to be using it later in the semester, but I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use it now. Okay? See you soon.